Alright, what's up guys? It's Evan from How To's by Bros, and today I'm going to be teaching you how to do a double front flip on a trampoline without being scared. Alright, so for this trick, obviously you should have a front flip. So double front flip is an easy but scary trick, okay? You should know how to tuck properly, so you should have a front flip like this basically. See how I opened up and I still have time to finish the other flip? So that's what your front flip should look like. You should have time and you should know how to tuck. You can either tuck under, but for front flips most people will tuck over. So you just grab your shins like that, hold them in tight, and that's how you'll get that fast rotation. Okay, so for the double front flip, you're gonna bounce, I'd say like pretty high, not your maximum, but pretty high. So bouncing, and it's just gonna start off just like a normal front flip. You're gonna have your arms up. You're gonna set just like a front flip. Grab your shins and just hold it. I know it's gonna be scary, but for this trick you have to commit. You have to commit. You have to feel yourself do 2 rotations. Your first time, you probably don't have the air awareness, so maybe try it into a foam pit at first, just to get over the fear of doing it, or even into a pool or something like that, just to get over the fear. So, but yeah, when you're trying it on tramp, please guys, always commit. Don't freak out in the air. You're gonna be fine if you just commit. It's always the times that you bail out. That's the times you get hurt. So always commit. So yeah, basically jump, set just like a front flip, and you're gonna hold your tuck for a little bit longer. So yeah, double front flip's gonna take a while to spot the landing. So that's why when you open up, you're probably gonna land like that or something like that. But once you just keep doing it, you'll be able to realize when to open up and such. So yeah, I'll show you one right now. So yeah, that's pretty much it guys. Just do it like a normal front flip, hold your tuck for longer, always commit, okay? So yeah. Alright, so thanks for watching guys. That's how to do a double front flip on tramp without being scared.
Thank you so much for watching. I encourage you to just thank Jesus today. Thank him for all he's done, because you're here for a purpose and you're not an accident. So thank you so much and God bless.